Good morning. Does anyone else watch Beth Ann and Kaylee on TikTok? Because sometimes I can only speak like them. It's an iced shaken brown sugar espresso, and it's not shaken or brown. Welcome back to the channel. I've been drinking matcha for over a week. Feel great. Naturally, gonna ruin it with this coffee. Let's run some errands. Let's just do some things. We're doing things. Trader Joe's haul, lettuce, tiny avocados, green beans, sweet potatoes, celery. These are the best. I decided I'm gonna start utilizing my freezer for meat because I'm always running to the store to get meat. So I got a bunch of chickens. These are amazing. Green shit, smoothie, base. This is the best thing on the planet, especially with those crackers. I like having these in the freezer. Decided to get these for the freezer to fuck around with and find out. Really, really like these. I'm obsessed with dill. I put it in eggs, I put it in tuna. Dips that I like to have, garlic and tzatziki. This is really good to add to pasta and soups to thicken it up if you don't want to use heavy whipping cream. Frozen berries and mango for smoothies, and that's it. This might be the dumbest thing I do. I'm gonna push this across the street to the storage unit by myself in the rain. I was literally so proud of myself that I was gonna do a second round to the storage unit, forgot my fucking keys. Okay, voiceover, go off, because I like to listen to podcasts when I cook and stuff, but I'm gonna start showing you guys certain things I meal prep and then like go-to meals. And I've been really obviously into TikTok too, so I've been liking to kind of store everything in their own containers. And this is my tuna salad. I like to use like a really nice mayo so it's not gross. That one had avocado oil in it. And then I've been doing capers and dill along with obviously celery and onion, and it just gives it such a nice flavor. And honestly, I think lemon goes really good in it. And now I'll just have it in my fridge so that I can put it on a piece of bread. I did it with avocado yesterday, inspired by Joe and the Juice. Obviously salt and pepper, y'all, don't forget it. But yeah, I either eat it by itself with crackers, put it on a piece of bread. It's just so easy for lunch or a snack, especially when you're like working really hard and you're like, oh shit, I didn't eat anything. And then obviously containers galore. Quick Sephora haul. Got this Refi primer. Feels weirder than I thought it would. 3 new brushes because I did the Mary Phillips makeup hack thingy and it actually works, and I needed like bigger, fluffier brushes. Got the Rare Beauty highlighters, and I actually have no powder highlight, so I'm really excited about this. Also came with their like new little under eye thingy, is like a metal ball, which feels really cool. It's like an illuminator, and you can see it looks really good too. This little brush for the highlighter, love. Absolutely obsessed with this. Just got this from Cora Organics. This brightening mask slaps. Color Wow 1 Minute Transformation Styling Cream instantly re-moisturizes and eliminates frizz. And then I got a silk pillowcase, which actually works. I woke up the other day and my hair looked psychotic and switched to the silk pillowcase. Chef's kiss. Repurchased this Magic 8-Hour Night Serum because that's how much I like it, even though it's expensive. It's really the dry hair for me. Got another Clear Stem Gentle Cleanser. So good. Restocked on my Lumify, which is beyond necessary. I think that's it. And I reorganized my makeup. So in this drawer, I just did like 3 little things with a bunch of that stuff. And then in this drawer, I actually also did 3 little things, and I put my most used makeup in here so that when I get ready, I can just pull this out and bring it over here and then put it back, and then that's the rest of my makeup and all my brushes. Much, much better. I've cleaned out my closet already before. It was like kind of organized when I first moved in, and it has just gotten significantly worse. Like this is just not okay. I'm a big believer in like doing a little bit every single day instead of being like, okay, today I'm gonna organize every single thing. So that's basically what I've been doing. Like I did my makeup a couple days ago. There's just so much that it's way too overwhelming all at once. So today I'm gonna like attempt to do my closet. And I say attempt because like I don't wanna get my or your hopes up. Like, what even is this? It's just a bag of clothes. Like what? Ugh. This is why I wear the same thing every day, because I can't even see anything. I did finish the closet, but then I did the Cora Organics face mask and did one of my classic lemon chicken pasta recipes that is on my website. I'll link it. Hair is still going strong from those 2 products and the silk mask pillowcase. I'm gonna show you guys the office because I did in fact get a storage unit like I showed you and cleared it all out. So this will be the updated office. Tomorrow we're recording our first episode where Chloe and I both have a microphone and we're doing video. Tomorrow's a really big day. I have a meeting in about like 45 minutes with my producer because turns out I'm not an IT wizard. I'm not an audio producer. So crazy. Fake it till you make it, but then also know when to ask for help because I would have never been able to figure out how to like set this all up. Let me show you. I've been so stressed. I forgot to take it before, but this is honestly like a middle, just so you can see what we're working with. I think I told you guys I got the wrong microphone stands because we're gonna be sitting this way. So I ordered new ones that my producer helps me order because again, not a tech wizard, audio setup producer, shut up. So they're actually gonna be coming from over here. And then these 2 chairs, I'll link them down below. I'm absolutely obsessed with them, CB2. This blanket was on my gift guide and my friend actually got it for me. And then she was like, oh wait, shit, does Lauren have that? I don't, it's Bobble Bar and it's so moody. So this will be basically what the podcast like kind of looks like when we're both like sitting down. I'm just beyond obsessed with the table. I got a little like iPad stand so that we can use that. I don't know if I want to do something on the wall or not. And no, I'm not going to do a neon sign because that is so like 5 years ago, sorry. So it looks really good and will be a lot cleaner once these stands are gone. And then this is like the whole setup that I didn't know how to use, obviously, but now I do because I'm like so crazy smart. And I think I've showed you guys a lot of the organization, but it's basically like some personal stuff, all my hosting, gift stuff, more hosting stuff. Woo! Oh my God. This was from cleaning out my closet. I had all of these on the floor, which is just insane. So I need to figure out how to get them in that closet. This is how I'm gonna be organizing my PR stuff. This is like another thing that I messed up. This is supposed to go like on that and the hole is too small. That's what she said. This is from Container Store. I'm absolutely obsessed with it and it's not even that expensive. It does roll around. I had it over there before, love it there. This desk is from Target. Whoa, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, so obviously that's my dining room chair because I don't have one yet and I just don't feel like buying one. So when people come over, I'll move it. But this desk is absolutely amazing. It was under $150 from Target, like obsessed. And look, you can like plug this in, like it has like a little thing, a little situation, but this is obviously a bedroom. So the cord's like up because the TV is supposed to go there. I'm gifting this to my friend for her birthday tomorrow. And then these are all these really cute little like goodie bags from Bloom because I'm hosting book club and I'm gonna give my friends goodie bags because I'm the hostess with the mostest. So this is basically what it looks like when you walk in. It's obviously pretty messy right now, but it's a really great size space, has a lot of storage in it, and I think I did a pretty good job. It just kind of looks like shit right now. Oh well. I'm really excited because I actually have like a lot of weekend plans this weekend. I have 2 brunches, a double date on Saturday, and then I'm going to dinner tonight. So that's like a lot of socializing for me, but my friends are like, you need to get out of the house more, and I'm like, rude, but fair. So I'm excited to do like the Mary Phillips makeup thing tonight and see all my girlies all weekend. I'm actually seeing a bunch of Chicago influencers on Sunday. We're going to brunch, which I'm so excited about because it's just like weird when you live in a city where like no one does what you do for a living because you don't have anyone to like bounce ideas off of and relate to. So I'm really excited to get to know some more girls. My friend Victoria, she's amazing, invited me and I love her. So I'm sure I'll love all these other girls. And Midwest girlies are just the best too. So it doesn't really give me anxiety because it's not like, oh my God, LA influencer event. But I'm gonna go so I can start filming another vlog and I'll shoot some content up this weekend. And then obviously follow me on TikTok because that's where I post like every single day. Subscribe to Mood because the podcast is just getting better and better and better. Love you guys. I'll see you in a few days.